Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to make a video for my online assignment log 2633 for course A freight. My name is Izzati Binti Razikin, PDL1905008 from class DM6A. My lecturer for this subject is Madam Nur Atika Binti Abbas. Okay. Next, I'll continue. The title for our article is Etihad Cargo to deliver critical air freight service to Australia. Taken from the article, Etihad Cargo, the cargo and logistic arms of the Etihad Aviation Group, has partnered with the Australian government to provide critical international air freight assistance to the Australia. Next, I'll continue with the question for the article. Okay, the first question is to describe the network carrier and how integrated cargo network operate. Network carrier is a set of device and infrastructure that allows data to be transmitted from one location to another. The data transmission service is offered as a product to the end consumer or to a reseller. For example, like all devices from internet to computer and phone will be connected to the technology department to observe what their customer wants when they search in the company website. Okay, next is how integrated cargo network operate, which is by using the hub and spoke system that similarly used by the passenger airlines. Since it connects to each other market in the integrated network, the hub will be the backbone for the integrated cargo carrier. The next question is to explain the idea of low-cost carrier can provide more service to the freight forwarder. The term low-cost carrier refers to a specific types of airline. It's also classified as a low, no refills, no frills, or a discount airlines. Most of low-cost carrier flights are short haul, and most of their bookings are made by online. Low-cost carrier also offer a less expensive mode of transportation than traditional airlines by restricting the facility and goods they provide as usual and charging extra. For example of the low-cost carrier is AirAsia, Southwest Airlines, Ryanair, EasyJet, and others. Okay. As we know, AirAsia apply low cost on their whole operation, which focus on high craft productivity, no frills like no seat allocated or no loyalty card, and ticketless, which require a simple procedure that can be found in online website. By using AirAsia as an example, we can try to provide more service that can be added to freight forwarder. Next, I will continue with the question number 3, which is from your understanding, describe any Etihad cargo product that has managed to encourage more shippers to use air freight in their logistic process. From my understanding, Etihad cargo products start with deliver essential supply that will be going into the Australian market and facilitate directional trade to ensure the continuity of the fresh import that include meat, fish, seafood, fruit, and vegetable. This can also help to make up the country economy that fall after the COVID-19 pandemic that has spread around the world to become stable again. Next, Etihad Cargo also tried to restore the key freight routes and establish more frequent flights to their key market so that there are agricultural and fisheries exporter can deliver their product to the customer on the time. This shows that they have been thinking more deeply in this situation by taking the advantages to open the stage for other freight forwarders to take their steps, as they will be playing the key roles in this logistic industry for their services to deliver goods until it arrives to the customer from door. By moving from one location to another location. Furthermore, after expanding their cargo services to several places between Abu Dhabi and Amsterdam, Bangkok, Beijing, Malaysia, Karachi, Seoul, and others, Etihad Cargo that has been busy with their business still need to ensure the delivery of fresh foods, pharmaceuticals, and medical supplies are going smoothly to the destined place. This is also an act as a part of the global response to the COVID-19 pandemic. A lot of companies also has taken their step to expand their business, also at the same time to spread help around the world by delivering medicine supplies needed in hope to reduce the patient of the COVID-19 pandemic and to stop this situation. The next question is about the issue in air cargo capacity is when traffic begins to pick up, freight rate can move up again quite rapidly after a shortage of capacity appear on the same routes. Give your opinion in the recovery process of gaining back air freight demand. In my opinion, after the recovery process of gaining back air freight demand will succeed, and they will become more busy as they will be the one that need to run around the world to deliver the product to the customer. In other words, it shows that there will be a lot more order that will continue to flow in even after the COVID-19 pandemic, as there are some countries that will put a ban of travel out of the country in order to make sure that the pandemic has fully stopped. Okay, and the last question is the chance for air cargo demand to grow certainly be closely linked to gross domestic product (GDP) and trade growth for one country. How does GDP relate to the air cargo demand? GDP, or gross domestic product, is a set of data that are used to measure a country's economy's growth. It is also known as one of the most important factors for air cargo demand. The relationship between air cargo and gross domestic product has been known for a long time. It is also known that expand of global air cargo and development of a country's economy are moving in sync. It is also known that when the inflation rates increase, the price of goods will also increase while when the inflation rates falls, the price of goods will also fall. The high rate of inflation will have a negative impact on the company capital. At the same time, it also expected that the demand operating will suffer same as when the total cost of air transportation enterprise increase according with the inflation rates. That's all for me. Thank you.